Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn how to change power supply redundancy mode to grid redundancy. In this example, we are going to change power supply redundancy mode to input source grid redundancy mode. For detailed information on the available power supply modes, please refer to Dell Knowledge Base article number 212404. Changing between power modes is non-disruptive and is possible only if there is enough power available in the target mode. If enough power is not available, MDS NXOS rejects the command with insufficient capacity message. On switch CLI, check the running config with feature power redundancy. You can see that power supply mode is PS redundant. To change to input source grid redundancy mode, enter the switch configure mode and run this command. Verify the changes by using the command show environment power. You can see that the power supply mode is changed to input source redundant. Thank you for watching.